Good evening, class. Today we'll be looking at surd. Then, how can we simplify surd? Let's look at this. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. For example, number 1, I have root 12. How can we simplify this root 12? To simplify root 12, what do you need? You need two numbers that when you multiply them, you will have 12, and one of those numbers must be a perfect square. Now, those numbers that when I multiply will give me 12 is 2 times 6, but none is a perfect square. 1 times 12, and also I have 3 times 4. When you look at this, here is 4. That 4 is a perfect square. So here I have 4 times 3. Why is it a perfect square? A perfect square is a number that when you find the square root, you will have, it will be easy to find the square root, or you have a real number. So here now, let's separate this. I have root 4 times root 3. What is root 4? Root 4 will give me 2, and root 3 will give me a decimal point, which is not what we need. So to simplify this, this is my final answer. That's 2 root 3. Let's look at another example. Another example is root 27. Now, in 27, we need two numbers that when we multiply it together, we give me 27. And one of it, I must be able to find the root like this form. Those two numbers are 9 times 3. 9 times 3 will give me 27, and 9 is one of the is a perfect square. So let's separate it. Root 9 times root 3. Root 9 is what? Root 9 is 3. Then times root 3. So here I have 3 root 3. So another typical example after this, let's look at it as number 3. Another typical example that we'll be looking into is, let's say we have a squared b. A squared b. So let's separate this. They are both letters. Here I have a squared times root b. When I find the root of a squared, it's going to give me a, then root b. So that is the final answer to that. So before I move into another one, let's look at another question that says root 288. Root 288, what will it give me? I'm going to have 144 times 2, and that will give me root 144 times root 2, and this will give me 12 root 2. That's the final answer to this. See you in the next class.